Happy birthday, Rasheed!
From 2RD3 Playtime Fun Time. Visit their channel and greet them a happy birthday.
Hi, I'm Milo.
Hi, I'm Max.
Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to the Three Mr. Monkeys world. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Sorry we've been missing in action because most of you know that we went to the Philippines. That's the reason why. What do you have, guys?
Kiddie meals.
Yeah, that's why they've got Jollibee Kiddie meals. We will be unboxing this and opening the toys that came with it. But before that, we want to announce the winner. You think we forgot about our giveaway, but we didn't. So now that we're back in Australia, we have time to draw the winner from all the people that subscribed to us. So we want to thank you for everybody that joined the giveaway and for everybody who liked, comment, shared, and subscribed to our channels. Because of you, we reached our first milestone, which is 100 subscribers!
Yay!
Alright, so who are our winners? Matthew?
Congratulations to Bonnie and Corey from the X-Bomb family.
So you can claim your prize by commenting down below and we will be getting in touch with you. So again,
Congratulations to Bonnie
And Corey.
To be continued. Don't miss out our unboxing of Jollibee Kiddie meals. Let's all find out together what's inside.